Get set for the tech highlight of the year, Samsung's first Galaxy Unpacked event of 2024 happening in mid-January. The star of the show? The Galaxy S24 series, especially the S24 Ultra, is grabbing all the attention. We've seen glimpses of what to expect, but the latest leaks are revealing even more thrilling details. Today, we've got a side-by-side comparison of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. At first glance, they might look similar, but the S24 Ultra has some subtle yet significant tweaks. It boasts a sleek, single cutout speaker grille and two microphone holes, up from one in the S23. The buttons are larger, adding to its robust look, and the display is flatter, making for a more modern aesthetic. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is a beast with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 12 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage. Its 5,000 mAh battery supports 45 GU wired, 15 dual wireless, and 4.5 GU reverse wireless charging. The camera setup is impressive, with a 200 MP primary sensor leading the pack. So, mark your calendars for this exciting launch. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to take the premium smartphone world by storm. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one on MobiZone.